Hi everyone, I just want to show you something else I found on the Chrome web store. It's called Reader View, and this is especially for dyslexics. So go to Chrome web store, go to input reader, and then find Reader View. Add to Chrome, and again it's going to ask you to add the extension, so add the extension. And then instantly in this top right corner you'll find this icon, okay? So with this tool, if you go to a website, let's go to Liverpool City Centre on Wikipedia. Now, this is like the normal website, but if you click on Reader View, it can change it to dyslexic friendly website. Not only that, you can change the font. So Comic Sans or serif. So Comic Sans is, I think, easier on the eye. You can also make it bigger so you can see it properly. You can change it to the full width, or you can change the margins on it. It's just about playing around with it. Okay, and you can also change the background and change all the different colours. You can even have it dark with white font, so you can change around, you can play about with it. You can even actually
Liverpool City Centre.
have it read to you.
Aerial view of Liverpool City Centre.
So this
Liverpool
is called
City Centre.
Reader View.
Location within Merseyside.
Okay, let's just stop that a sec.
Metropolitan Borough. City of Liverpool. Metropolitan County. Merseyside.
So again, if you go to Chrome web store, it's called Reader View. And you can just instantly put it on, and it's really easy for those people who are dyslexic. Okay, you can also actually just turn it off, so if you click on it again it just goes back to normal, so you're not actually saving or changing the website at all. So that is for people who are dyslexic, who are finding looking at the screen really difficult. Reader View can help you change that website so that it's much easier to look at. Alright, I hope this is helpful. Good luck, and I'll see you soon. Bye.